Today I'm here to do an unboxing. Um, the Smith & Wesson M100s. I've carried these around for quite a while, and they're just so old now, and it was just time for a new set. So I decided to go ahead, get a good set, and we're gonna see what all comes in the box. I've already torn the tape, so I ain't gotta worry about that. Oh, okay. So the keys are right here. They are authentic Smith & Wesson handcuff keys. Very nice, two standard ones. The box actually looks pretty nice. No cap. Let's see. I'm just gonna probably do it this way. So, here they are. Smith & Wesson M100 handcuffs. Very nice. You get your paperwork here, to show they're real. You got all your instructions in here for care and maintenance, things like that. I already know what that is. I have owned a pair of Smith & Wessons before. Dang, these are pretty strong too. So what's my opinion on these handcuffs? Not a bad set. Let's just keep it real. Not a bad set. They're actually better quality than these. So Smith & Wesson handcuffs are not looking bad. This is the box they come in, things like that. Label tag, just to show that they're brand new, stuff like that. I'm not sure if y'all can see that or not. But yeah, right there. So yeah, I don't think these are bad. So yeah, that's basically Smith & Wesson M100 handcuffs. Let's check this out just real fast. Smith & Wesson, there's your M100. So I'm not sure if y'all can see that. I am working towards also everybody upgrading to a better camera, so those sound way different from these here. So, but yeah, that's basically what you get in the box. You get your handcuffs and 2 keys. So yeah, I highly recommend these, man. If y'all want to know where I got these, I got them on Amazon for about 30 something bucks. So yeah, not bad for the price. Great handcuffs. So there we go. Everything you get is right here when you buy Smith & Wesson handcuffs. So